I see, Mommy.
Okay.
Looks like the same too. I'm gonna show you. See?
What are you doing now?
I'm getting all of my new cars.
Oh no!
Tofu eat the small car. But we're gonna fix it later.
How are you gonna fix that?
Cause I have to get the screwdriver. But the screwdriver is for later. Let me park.
You wanna park?
Park here on the road.
Oh, wow.
No, this is pangit. This is
It's from McDonald's.
McDonald's.
Yeah. We got this from McDonald's. It's from your Happy Meal.
Happy Meals. This is not pangit. It's just from Okmo. It's from McDonald's. When we go to McDonald's, I'm done parking.
Oh, what did you do?
I made a transformer car. It's Lelo. Why is it Lelo? It looks like Bumblebee. See, it's not a transformer anymore. What do you like? Do you like...
This one. This is my favorite.
Oh, do you like
What's
it?
the name of this one?
It's Chevelle.
There it is. Chevelle. Okay, which one is your favorite car?
Oh, it's not like this. It's like this.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's like that. I like this one. So thicker. Because it's color green and blue. There's gas.
Gas?
Yep.
Can you tell me what are the 4 states of matter?
It's solid, liquid, gas, plasma.
Can you tell me all the names of the cars?
What's up? What's up? Porsche. Plymouth Barracuda. Ford Maverick. Ford Maverick. Nerf Hammer. 721 El Camino. Clipper, so Tiger. Vietnam. Sports Car. Chevelle. Mazda. Dodge Charge. Dodge Charge. F1. Midnight Auto. Chevy Nova Wagon. Honda Monkey. And where's another one? Where's another one? It's gone. No, it's gone. You need to stay here. No, they're not gonna stand there. They're parking
Why?
there. Because they're gonna park here.
Why? Why not like this?
Because it's not like that. It should be like this.
But I want it like this.
No, it's not like that. I'm parking it like that.
Why?
Because I'm the police. I need to park them there.
I see. But why?
Because it's for boys. What's this?
I don't know. What is that?
It's bulldozer. Don't forget.
Okay.
What's this again?
I don't know.
I'm getting galit.
Why?
Because I'm gonna chase you.
You're gonna chase me? Why?
Because you're saying I don't know.
I'm sorry, but I forgot.
But
Can you help me?
okay.
Okay, so can you tell me what's the name of that one?
I'm not gonna be police. I'm just a teacher. It's bulldozer in this one.
Okay, what is that?
I forgot. Okay, I'm done.
How about I want to park this one like this?
Oh, no. I will be galit again.
Why?
So I'm gonna park them. How about this one?
What is that?
It's McDonald's. Oh, I'm parking them there. No. I'm just sick. I'm a dead person.
And then you became a zombie?
No, I'm not a zombie. I'm just I'm a sick person, Eli. I'm dead. I'm dead.
What happened to you?
I became dead.
Oh no.
Yeah. Please, can you fix me, nurse?
I'm not a nurse.
Auntie's a nurse. He needs to check me.
Yeah. You should call her.
Yeah. But she's doing something. She needs to work first.
Yeah.
I'm a dead Eli person.
Oh no. What are we gonna do?
Auntie nurse, come back here.
You farted again.
I'm a dead farty pants. Can you close your nose?
I can.
I cannot breathe too.
Oh no.
Are you covering your nose?
I am.
Oh my god, I'm awake again.
Oh my god, I'm awake again.
I'm not dead. Here, it was there.
How about this one?
It's
Who's this?
Zuma.
Zuma. This one.
It's Petey. What's it?
Is that Rocky?
Yeah. This is Robo. I found Sky right here. Everything is broken. I forgot Marshall. Here. Oh, I found robot dog. I found it. But yeah, I lost his ears.
That's okay.
Let
I think he's gonna ride here.
No. Where's his old truck? No. He needs to ride here. Where's Idris? Oh, I found him.
What is this?
It's down here. It's a grater.
Grater? Grater truck?
It's
What is
mixer.
Where is Chase?
He's gone. He's still gone.
Oh no.
We're gonna fix him later, huh? Last one is Idris and Chase. I found him. I have something for you.
For me?
Close your eyes. Here.
Wow.
We're gonna put them here.
Who's this?
No, this one.
Oh, okay. Who's this?
It's Marshall.
How about this one?
It's Chase.
This one?
Zuma.
This one?
Robot dog.
This one?
It's Sky.
Square? Who's this?
It's Rocky.
Rocky? How
Yeah.
about this one?
It's Idris.
This one?
It's Robo.
Rocky.
Bye-bye.
Good night.
Good night. Sweet dreams.